If you're facing pending transfers on your American Express account, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process and take the necessary actions. Step 1. Check your account activity. Log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Review your recent transactions to confirm which transfers are pending and ensure there are no discrepancies. Step 2. Verify transfer details. Ensure that the details of the pending transfers, such as the recipient's information and the amount, are correct. Mistakes in these details can cause delays in processing. Step 3. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Follow up on your request. After contacting customer service, keep track of your request. Note any reference numbers provided and follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected time frame. Step 5. Monitor your account. Continue to monitor your account for updates on the pending transfers. Once resolved, ensure that the transactions are reflected correctly in your account activity. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any pending transfers on your American Express account. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.